Oh, sure, I'm recording. Alright. What? Haha, funny. Oh.
Or not.
Pre-show.
How about some backstage passes?
How about some backstage passes? I'm already recording. Alright.
VIP, all members should be on the floor. All members should be on the floor.
Wait.
Oh, that should be on the floor.
Oh, on the floor of the... Oh, I don't remember that. They... 2, 1. Back in the saddle again. Say hi to YouTube.
Bye.
Okay. What's it? A superstar limo.
Look at these beautiful plexiglass walls.
I know, right? They're beautiful. Shut up.
Please stand clear of the track.
Well,
The motor vehicle will stop temporarily and
Oh, no.
will begin motion without warning.
Oh no.
Stand clear for your safety.
Oh, hell.
I'll punch the...
That scream sounded great.
What?
That scream sounded
Real?
a mask gun.
What?
A mask gun.
Do I really?
Legendary.
It's a goatee.
I might have a mask tank because I didn't put sunscreen on today.
So for your safety, pull down the shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head against the headrest and stay
All right.
secure. Your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the limo trim. Bestow your belongings on the floor and watch your kids.
Entonces, por su seguridad, tire de la barra hasta que se cierre con un clic. Mantenga la cabeza.
Have you ever gotten front row? And
Permanezca sentado con las manos.
I think I got front row with you.
Dentro del vehículo. Coloque cualquier artículo suelto.
Because Aaron won't go on this with you, right?
No, I went on. Aaron loves this ride. I went front row with Aaron once, and that's when my popcorn spilled everywhere.
Your popcorn, what?
My popcorn from Aaron's alien bucket.
Oh no.
It spilled everywhere on the floor.
Oh no.
But it stayed in though.
What? Wait, what? How is that possible?
Gravity.
I want you to read the license plate. You didn't see it? Oh well.
For your safety, pull down the shoulder restraint until it locks in place.
Yay.
Keep your head against the headrest and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Put any loose items on the floor and be sure to watch your kids.
Entonces, por su seguridad, tiren de la barra hasta que se cierre con un
Shoot.
clic. Mantengan la cabeza contra el posacabezas.
Just one leg?
Permanezcan sentados con las
Just leave it there. It's not gonna fall out.
pies y piernas.
No, I'll just do one leg.
Asegúrense de colocar sus efectos personales en el piso y de vigilar a sus niños.
Attention, market attendant, attention. Can you please be on the lookout for 1948 blue?
What?
Can you track this shit down?
All right,
Nope.
Aerosmith is taking the stage. Whoa, check out Steven Tyler's hat.
That's a nice hat.
Crank it up, because we're getting ready to rock on this exclusive live broadcast.
My road jam.
I can't push mine down, man. It's really loose. It'll be okay.
Well, we're just getting started. coaster. That was nice. Good Aerosmith songs. Sorry for singing.
Well, the seat did go down one more while I was moving.
Evac. 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 Hey, they stopped the music. Or the audio, I mean. Oh, there we go. Play more music.
Come on, guys, got a concert to catch.
That was the concert. We missed it.
No. We were just arriving in the venue.
Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah.
Welcome back, VIPs. Exit to your right and rock on.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. Okay, dinner time.